Phrasal verbs are essential English expressions made by combining a verb with a preposition or adverb. Today, we focus on take off, which has two main meanings. First, it means to remove clothes like jackets or shoes. Second, it means when a plane departs and leaves the ground. Understanding these meanings helps you speak naturally. Take off means to remove clothing from your body. For example, you take off your jacket before entering a warm room. The plane takes off means the airplane departs from the runway and begins flying. When you hear take off at the airport, it always refers to the plane leaving. When removing clothes, listen. She took off her hat and coat when she entered the house. For quick departure, the thief took off before the police arrived. This means the thief left very suddenly to escape. Both uses are very common in everyday English. Instead of take off, you can say remove for clothes or depart for planes. Other words include leave, exit, dismiss, or discard. For airplanes, use blast off or lift off. These synonyms help you vary your vocabulary and sound more natural. For airplanes, the plane takes off in 30 minutes means it departs soon. Her career really took off last year means it suddenly became very successful. This business meaning shows rapid growth or popularity. Each context changes the meaning slightly. Take time off means requesting days away from work. I took 2 days off to visit family. She wants to take next week off means she plans a vacation. This is different from removing clothes, but uses the same phrasal verb structure. Take time off can mean vacation, holiday, or leave from work. Day off describes 1 day away. Furlough means longer time away, and respite means short rest. Sabbatical is extended leave, usually for study or research. Practice these sentences. Please take off your shoes before entering. The plane will take off soon. I need to take tomorrow off from work. Sales really took off after the ads. Repeat them to remember all meanings of take off.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.